God damn.
Woo!
They're ready.
Those look amazing.
Fuck.
And you got some meaty tires too.
Yeah.
Damn, 235. Well, it's because they're Federals.
Yeah.
Oh shit, you got Federals?
Yeah.
Damn.
Just the RSs though, they're not. I mean the
It's nothing
the
crazy.
595s.
It's still badass though.
I wanted to see if, like, I wanted to see how it would look before I got
245 would have been fucking. These are good enough.
Yeah, those look good. What's specs on them?
Fucking, they're 17 by 9, 38.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Should be okay. I don't know. I might have to raise the car.
Nah.
Nah. Don't go there.
Maybe more camber, but not raise the car.
Well, that's the thing. I don't have anything to camber it right now. I don't have,
Do you
like,
not?
No.
Did he?
This is just natural. Huh? Yeah. Shit, he better. He charged me extra because of it.
Why do you charge you extra?
Cause like they were legit about to close.
Where's my phone? I gotta.
And then like he was like, "Oh, I charge 80 for it." I was like, "What the fuck?"
God damn.
So it was like 80 instead of like versus 50. I was like, "What the fuck?"
That's bullshit.
I think it's because they were just trying to leave and he was annoyed. But I'm impatient, so.
Yeah. How much you get the wheels for, if you don't mind me asking?
These were 1,300.
Oh, that's not bad.
Yeah.
That's how much I paid in total if you add all the times I cracked my wheels and fixed it.
I'm just worried about.
Camera reception.
I'm just worried about that one.
One.
One lug.
Oh, you have like one strip lugged over there?
Yeah, on this one. But, oh no.
Dude, your car's gonna look like so track ready looking after this. I'm pretty excited now.
So much for a little bit stretch. These look good though, dude. These look really good.
I know, like when he put it on, that we were like, oh shit.
Dude, those things look
Like
like
should have went higher.
95s fit super thick.
Nice flip flops, bro.
Thanks, dude. Oh, look, my toe.
oh,
Oh shit.
some ventilation.
Yeah, it's the other ones are.
I want the R's on ours because they
Those-
look hella grip and they're cheap.
Yeah, that's true. But they're not good in the rain. That's the only thing.
Nothing. I mean, they're summer tires. They're not all seasons.
Well,
So it's like, dude, I hate freaking people on Facebook because that one guy's like, does it come with the struts? And I was like, "Nigga, did you not read the description?"
that's that one guy I told you about. He comments on every fucking.
Really?
But doesn't buy.
Doesn't get shit.
But he lowballs. He asks stupid
Is
questions.
it him or is it the one that I sent the pictures? Posted pictures?
No.
That's
No,
not.
he's pictures driving my turbo boosted E36.
But it's janky. It's janky as hell.
Probably won't even handle the power with their 200 horsepower.
Yeah, I'm just
efforts.
trying to go 70 miles per hour down that curve.
Go down that one strip right here. Let's see if we can hear
I'm
you.
trying to just drift that circle
Oh god.
and connect it to the other circle.
It's supposed to be like a feather, but
Yeah.
they're called Graham lights.
That's what I said too.
You should be able to pick it up with like.
Everyone thought I was bullshitting when I said,
Yeah, no, it's
So are they heavier than like RPF ones?
Yeah.
Wait, really?
we just 17. But you have to kind of.
Oh no, I'm scared.
No, it won't be. It won't be bad.
Strong enough.
I feel like I should bang it in.
Just always hold it
Nah.
tight.
Do you want me to do it? No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah, I feel like you should do it.
You're more
I
experienced.
trust you more than I trust myself.
Just try. Well, hang on. We need to plug it.
Content.
We need to
see your face.
We need to plug it in first.
Yeah.
That's kind of important.
Huh? Glasses? Yes?
Glasses? Yeah. I don't know, ask Alex, he's doing it.
What? No.
Do it. Come on,
I'm the one. I'm the
good
one.
content.
I'm the one videoing here.
So they're
Okay.
gonna see a
I have-
partial of your face.
Alex, please.
He said,
Why you
please.
dirty put the peanut?
Damn.
Please, bro.
I'll put that in the video. No, I'm just kidding.
As soon as you turn that switch, so.
Oh, you
Hold on,
got
too.
Wait, y'all wanna make sure? Y'all wanna make sure that thing's tight?
Oh, it is. I make sure.
Okay.
That thing's like tight as hell.
I'm standing over here.
Why are you looking away?
No, because
You-
the spark.
You won't be. It won't. You'll be fine.
That's what they all say.
Dude, your shit sucks.
You just said it was like better earlier.
I thought it was better because it was bigger.
your shit's a lot better than mine.
But like, this button sucks. Like, it's so hard to click.
Dude, you suck. Hurry up.
How the fuck?
It says
Oh boy.
How's it looking?
He's all worried.
Do I have bacon fenders?
Oh shit.
No, I'm trying. I had to pull out because I didn't want to go all the way out there. So
Oh yeah.
I have to angle
Oh,
it.
actually, hey, you're doing a.
So I have to do like.
I think you really just
this.
got to do that, and then to like maybe here.
Yeah.
I don't think you have to go all the way with it.
You don't think so?
Ooh.
I don't think so.
You want to try it now?
No.
It's not bad. It's really not.
No, you're doing.
You
a
already
good job.
started.
Oh
So you might as
my
well
God.
finish the
I'll
job.
finish this one. You can do the others.
Dude, I ain't trying to do body work like that. So if I
But
fuck
that's
it up-
not body. That's just cutting shit.
No, but if I fuck it up, it's gonna end up being body work. Alright, dude, on my first Integra, the back fender was the whole fucking quarter panel was fucked up.
I mean, shit happens.
Oh,
What was that?
Well, that fucked up the video.
that bitch just like buzzed on me and shit.
It smells really. What do you have in here that smells so good?
It's
tree
that spray,
frog.
that spray that Kevin sprayed in there.
You know that tree frog air freshener? The JDM thing?
No,
The box?
I don't.
You've never seen the box?
He says
They
it
sell it at
has-
dealerships all
He
the time.
has it. Not.
All they teach at the BMW dealership is, how not to use turn
Bet you-
signals and.
Bet you, yeah, they don't sell turn signals either, huh? Like the light bulbs. Yeah, I wanted to.
Did you see Josh what he said on Snapchat?
right now?
Like, not only do BMW owners
Oh, yeah.
cut people off, they cut their fenders down too.
When did you say that?
Because we snapped you like.
Yeah, bro. Give me like $300.
Payment?
I'll let you do payments.
Trade you to golf.
Yeah, pretty close.
No, I'm just kidding.
Attorneys?
No, for real, I'll sell it to you for a good
Oh, there
price.
it is.
I'm not gonna rip you off
That's how you do it.
if you're down with it.
I'm be here
What?
forever.
I'll sell it to you for a good price. I'll give you payments. I'll let you do payments.
I'm okay.
You sure?
Yeah.
2,000 years later.
25 years.
Got a
He
walk.
didn't acknowledge the question, so I was like, damn, I'm not gonna ask you.
Shit. Goofy game.
Sorry.
What you doing?
He's just like watching. You can put one wheel on,
Yeah.
so you get more excited. No? There we go.
I'll try not to mess up your stickers. Jason got some extra.
Oh yeah, I have extra.
Well, like Kevin Alaga? Just joking.
Yeah, just
Oh yeah. Did y'all lower the side already too?
No.
no.
No,
he's-
Oh shit.
He's trying to see how this side looks.
Oh okay.
And if it's right,
This side, even though it's been hours.
I thought y'all. Never mind.
Slide me the wheel up, Jason. Nice.
He's like a surgeon.
People are gonna be like, bruh, why he's wearing gloves? Bruh, he's only hand tightening it.
Where the fuck are you going? Oh, he's going all the way around. Fuck this car.
I hate that one fucking extension cords.
I know, when they get stuck.
Oh, this is perfect fucking stand over here. Get a. Well, this is probably your normal height, fucker.
You like a little
Oh my god.
Cody with the
Can you do a low setting?
No.
fucking.
Just gotta send it.
Send it, bro. Full send.
Fucking plastic smacking me.
Oh, it did?
Yeah.
Do it the other way then. Like that. Like, point it the other way.
I guess.
No,
No,
like,
like flip it.
yeah, there you go. It's gonna slap on his
Wait,
face.
that's weird. This preload on this side was actually really good.
Really?
Like, really fucking good.
What the fuck?
What's wrong?
You have to push it. And,
I would turn it on first, then angle it. So just click it. It's kind of hard, yeah.
yeah, it's hard.
Ah, that's what she said.
Damn it. Oh shit! Homemade tongs
Tongs! Oh my god.
from Fenders.
Like, me too.
King?
Again?
You didn't even
He
eat.
said again like he was there and ate it.
I don't know. King's
He's
is
like,
always
I
good.
gotta, it's like, I gotta go get a heart.
After doing car stuff, King's just.
Or somewhere with a beer. Somewhere where I can get a Dos Equis or something.
Don't you have some right here?
Moppy.
Jason? Oh, the next doing that way too close.
I didn't know that. Or Wingstop open till
Chipotle does too.
Ooh, Wingstop.
Wingstop, there's Chipotle.
Oh, Chipotle. Oh, Chipotle's probably closed though.
Yeah, they're
Oh
close.
yeah, Wingstop's open till midnight though.
Is there a Wingstop close by here?
Yeah.
It's still lit.
249 in Bama on the other side, but wait. So.
Alright. Finally.
Probably want to get that side.
Ooh, that was sliding on it a little bit. I saw that. This side is. Did you raise this side up?
Oh, fuck me.
It went higher.
Wait, are you sure? Drop the e-brake and take it out of gear.
Oh, never mind. Looks about the same. Yeah, it looks about the same.
It'll go lower after it's set. After you sit in it. That ass.
Damn.
6.5 hours later.
Cody's like, careful.
Oh, y'all need to lower it some more.
Oh, bro, that's not even.
Bro, it can't go lower.
No way.
We adjust the spring or
Yeah, unless we mess with the preload again.
Is that maxed out?
That's good, bro.
You got good. Like, look at that clearance though.
Well, like,
Don't you have some right here?
Moppy.
Jason? Oh, the next doing that way too close.
Ow!